Hey, just now come this way.
I'm gonna trust you.
No, turn off that light. Turn off that light.
Let me put down my money.
Okay. Oh god. Okay. As you can see, it's blizzard. And it's in the dark. Now, I want to get out of render distance for you for one of the surprises, so we can talk a little bit and you can just move around.
It's a moderate. No, this is moderate. It's a piece of shit.
Okay. So, you went a little bit too far there, mate.
Oh, what? And you? Wait. Oh. What?
Hi, Bella.
I can't move.
You pretty little baby doll. Yes, you are. You're very fluffy, no doubt.
I can't move.
I'm glad you finally calmed down.
I can't move. I can't move right or back. So.
Oh, go. Yeah, I had the same problem. Go, press escape. Go into options. Go into controls. Press reset inputs, and you should be good. But yeah, I had that same problem earlier today.
Oh yeah, I can move again. Okay, what am I doing?
Okay, so remember what we did yesterday?
Yes.
We went to the logging camp and then took the logs immediately to the sawmill. Also, actually no, I brought the Tweetsy tender back, but those 2/3 cars that we lost, since we left with 6 and somehow ended up with 5 and then 3 on the way, are still there. I don't know where the 6th one is because it was never accounted for to begin with, I guess. But what we're doing today is we're going to the sawmill and taking it, whatever we get from the sawmill, aka lumber and beams, to the iron mine.
So,
because the iron mine takes lumber and beams. Also, there's another run that straight from the logging camp to the smelter that I need to do. Gonna take a little bit.
Alright.
But John did it on his old world. What?
I said alright. I'm gonna turn down the game volume real quick. That's not. It is on. Master volume.
Okay, you recording?
I am.
Well, I'll be dipped. Come on, this way. Turn on your lights. Let's go this way.
I'm on my way. I'm on my way.
Stay on the outside of the engine shed real quick.
Way. Way.
You go get the engine fired up. I gotta get the lights on the caboose.
I was gonna get the parts. Or are we not?
We don't need.
Oh, we don't need.
No, it's different cars for the lumber and beams. You like how I got a caboose?
Yeah. Get the shakes. Way.
They put some fire in here.
That's 0. The firebox has 0.
I've been doing a lot since I put this train together. Like, a lot.
Shine the light in the front.
There you go. Okay. I'm going to now do what I need to do before we get back, because we're going from the sawmill back to here, okay? Yeah. And then we're picking up 6 more cars and then going to the iron mine. Wait, no we aren't. I decided against that. Never mind. I don't need to do anything. I'm gonna go into extended real quick, make sure all the switches are aligned. I think I already did before I started doing stuff with laying some track. Oh god. So laggy.
Not for me.
Um,
I'm going smooth.
not the game extended.
Oh,
Sawmill's lined. It's going to be a little bit spicy, those turns at the sawmill, because we're picking stuff up, so be slow at the sawmill.
how good can I make my breath there? Oh, they're all on
Okay.
epic. Okay.
Options, graphics,
They're all on epic for me.
frame rate, unlimited, all on epic.
Wait, could I cap my frame
Epic,
rate to like my cap?
blur 50%, 3D resolution 100,
3D
vertical
resolution,
sync.
blur 50%. Vertical sync, no. Frame rate limit. 120? I'll just do unlimited. Doesn't matter.
I just keep mine at unlimited.
Okay,
Apparently.
are we going?
Yeah, you got Steam.
Yeah.
Also, I found something out. I placed the track immediately next to the freight depot, too close to the freight depot for trains or cars to go next to it. So we physically have to use the siding.
Oh, well, that's a reason to
I
use
mean,
it.
some smaller trains can go next to it, but the Tweetsy's tender is too big. The Tweetsy, I think, can maybe go next to it. I don't know if they patched that with the update. Okay, Austin, cut it, or I will be the worst conductor that you've ever met. Because I am the conductor on this journey, sir. I am also the brakeman and fireman. Okay, Bella, you want down? Yeah,
Am
I'll
I
let
the
you get down
I'm
before
the
we
engineer.
start this endeavor.
Am I the
What?
engineer? Am I the engineer?
Yeah, you're the engineer, I'm the conductor, brakeman, and fireman. Also, you know how Con and Heist talked about how some cabooses that had air brakes, and the trains had air brakes back in the day? The conductor had a little switch on his desk that you could turn on the brakes on for all the cars to mess with the engineer.
Wow.
I can do that from Railroads Online Extended.
Wow.
Also, if you go AFK, I can slow the train down. Let me click. Open controls. Okay. That brake's at 100. Oh, all these car brakes are at 100. I forgot to tell you.
Please
I left them
take
there.
them off. Please take them off.
I am... Remember, once you get into the sawmill, slow the frick down.
I know.
Okay, slow,
I'm
brakes.
slow.
Sync controls, full brake.
I'm doing full brake. How did you make it full brake while I was on 50%?
Because I have controls over everything. Brake, cut.
I don't need brakes.
I don't know if a Tweetsy can go around this turn. It's a 16 meter.
Bro,
Taking a Tweetsy.
let me drive the train. Let me drive the train. Please, I don't need brakes. So,
Cut the
please.
dang reg, man!
There's no reg.
Yeah, that's because I just cut it.
I cut
Also,
it.
taking a Tweetsy around a 10 meter turn crashed my game. By the way, I did that earlier.
Okay, which one are we taking?
Okay, we're
plank or
doing
the-
50-50. We have 6 cars, we're taking 3 cars of each. Wait, how much lumber and beams do we have?
We have
Let me
18
check.
beams and something lumber.
18 and
18 and 18.
this is-
18 and 18.
Okay, 18 and 18. These are 6 to a car, those are 3 to a car. What's the frickin' ratio at the... What? Don't load it yet, don't... Just wait. What is the iron mine ratio? Railroads online. For the love of Pete. I'm just gonna ask Heisa server since there's a bunch of nerds. Hey, what does anyone know what the iron mine ratio is? Waiting. Who is messaging? Oh my goodness. So I might have shared the other surprise for you with Khan and Heis because I have direct messaging to Khan.
Did you wait? Does he actually respond?
Well, he didn't respond to that one, but the most talkative person on the sponsor chat that I know of responded to it and said, "You need more." So I just sent him the complete picture of the completed, what's it called? The completed surprise. There we go. There's the words. Let's check Heis's. You know, we are doing a 1 or a 2 to 4 ratio. So that'd be a 1 to 2. So we're loading these front 2 cars with beams and then loading the back 4 cars with planks.
Got you.
You know what? No, let's just go 50-50. That'll be safer. I probably can't watch that right now. Austin, you didn't know that?
You know what?
That CC got a girl?
Yeah, I did. I did know. I literally hoped her to get a girl.
Oh. Okay, and I'll tell you when. Half car. And stop.
Why only? Oh, you don't have money.
Yeah. Doing half and half.
Let's do this. Let's do this. Let's do this.
You
Let's do
did
this.
not just freaking tell me that I cannot get up here.
You can get up there.
I know I can.
What?
Me and Fuel got up here the other day. Wait. Quit moving the dang train while I'm trying to use it as a jumping platform.
Oh, I just hit break. Wait a second.
Okay. You aren't braking!
I'm not breaking. I was.
Okay, and... Come on, keep coming. Keep coming. 1 car. Half car. Quarter car. 1 truck. Stop. Dang, Tweets, these brakes are good.
For real.
Maybe I can get on from the caboose.
Wait, yeah.
Oh, yeah, totally can get on from the caboose.
You just get
Can you even get on top of the caboose? You don't know how to get on top of the caboose. Okay, Austin, come here, come here. We go inside the caboose, and then there's this little glitch. Get up into the top part, okay? Jump.
Hey,
You
nice.
glitch through the ceiling.
I've
They added
defied all
that,
laws
so
of
if you get
gravity.
stuck under a piece of track, you can go through the ceiling.
I've just
But it works
defied
with
all laws
anything.
of physics. I've defied all laws of physics just then.
Oh, right, I forgot. I made a track under this platform.
Why?
Yeah, that's probably not gonna work.
Why? Just why?
I have a track that runs under the thing. What are you doing? Come here.
Jumping around.
Do you want me to show you or not?
Where are you?
Right here.
Where's right here?
Turn left. Right. I have a track that runs under this. And that's not gonna work.
Yeah, no.
No, my reasoning is because of this hole that doesn't have collisions. What? Okay, these have collisions, annoying.
Come back to the.
Which means I can't run a train
thing.
through them.
Come back to the thing.
Okay. Half car, you're going way too fast, mate.
Trust me.
Stop. Just stop.
What you think?
Okay. Half car?
Oh, keep going?
Yep. Half
Why'd
car.
you tell me to stop?
Because I was making sure that you knew what you were doing.
I do know what I'm doing. I knew I was doing the first 5 cars.
Well, I'm not sure. Okay, stop. That's good. Okay. Wait a minute. Before we go, before we go anywhere, don't go anywhere yet. I have to. Yeah, that's dead empty. Austin, get out of the train real quick.
Not in the train?
Oh. Yeah.
What is?
Okay.
The
Facilities. Stop. Try and play something. That's way too far.
This is a water tower.
Yeah,
Water
we need a
doesn't go
water
in there.
tower.
Wait, does water go in it?
Yes, water goes in there. It was way too close.
Oh, I can see you placing it.
That's not close enough. Oh my god.
Come on. Too close? Okay, do it. Place it.
Wait, you can see it?
Yeah, I can see it. I just said that.
Ow! Bro, you're...
Let me cook, let me cook, let me cook, let me cook.
Why should I? Just leave it there. Just let it go. Let Tweetsy get what she wants. Mainly because she's Tweetsy.
Fair.
Okay, Austin, I have to go line a switch. Hey, get into the train and see what the water level is at. It'll be one of the stats in the bottom right. Not right, left. In the bottom left.
Bottom left. Fuel, water level. Water level is at 1,700.
Sure it's not 1 million?
No. Wait, it is 1,800,000.
1,800,000?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, we're full. You can take it up if you want.
Yeah. It's still climbing.
Now, you need to go extremely slow, Austin. And believe me, you have to go around some even tighter turns than the ones from before. Would you like me to do it? So you can
No, I'm
see.
gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it.
Low.
I got you.
Be glad you don't have to go around this 9-meter turn. That would crash your game.
Or crash
That's...
it.
Wait a minute, I'm gonna...
extremely slow right now.
Great, my extended crashed.
Nice.
Press V twice.
Why?
Because that means you'll be zoomed out all the way.
I already am zoomed out. Why is this a turn? What was your thought process?
This.
Why? Why?
Because I tried to replicate Con Ice's.
And you failed. Failure.
Okay, there's another one of those turns right up here, my good
Okay.
sir. Keep coming slow.
I'm going as slow as I can. With more momentum. Oh, this is worse. This turn's worse.
Yeah, it's fine.
This is worse.
You don't need to worry about it.
No, we don't.
Oh my god, this is hilarious.
I don't like it. I feel I'm gonna derail. Derailed. I derailed. I derailed. This turn is too tight, Colin.
I'll fix it later.
Can we derail? Will this stay on? Can we? This is not fine. What are you doing? What?
Tweetsy's not strong enough to pull back on the tracks, mate.
Yeah, that's why I disconnected the parts. Oh, I'm gonna
Okay, we're gonna
I'm
re-rail
gonna
Tweetsy
re-rail
up ahead.
Tweetsy.
Oh,
Yeah.
you re-rail Tweetsy then.
I'm
I'll re-rail the tender.
Let's be backwards.
Tweetsy's backwards, mate.
I know. I can't set the Tweetsy. I can't work Tweetsy. It's not letting me put it.
Okay, let me give it a go.
Like, I can't put it back down where it was. It's not giving. Oh, I just didn't even click on it yet. There we go.
Just let it go for a minute. Let it go. It's gonna be stunned. Okay.
Okay,
There.
that's it. 49%.
Okay, I'm gonna go put the tow bar in this.
Did you
Now,
derail the part?
not yet. It wouldn't let me.
Okay, I'm gonna back up.
Because, yeah, give her a little bit of reg. Little bit more.
Let it go.
Okay, cut. Let me pin you.
Reconnected.
Thank you. It's pinned. Let me take off the brake. Okay, take it forward.
This part got derailed.
Yeah, I know it did. I have to... Bro, you have to take it forward so I can re-rail it.
Oh, I just took it.
You can't re-rail it on a turn.
Okay, I'm going forward.
Okay, let me put it up here, please. Thank you. You can toss the brake on. Okay, link and pin in this.
No, you don't need a link pin.
Oh, gotcha. Bring her back slow.
Got you.
Do you think you can manage this while I go grab the Betsy?
Could you... Well, no. No. I suck at...
Okay,
I suck at connecting with all my stuff.
Whoa, 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 whoa,
Is it
whoa,
connected?
whoa,
Is it
whoa,
connected?
whoa!
Is it connected?
It's connected. You didn't need to slam into it. Goodness, man.
That was,
Okay, stay
that was a
stay
small thing.
there.
That was a small thing.
Don't do anything yet.
If I go around this bend, I'm going to die. I'm going
Yes,
to
that's why
derail
you
them.
aren't going around the bend.
Oh, Betsy is.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna pull forward. Yeah, Betsy's on the
And
ground.
Betsy isn't even actually going around the bend. Betsy's just shoving the cars around it.
Betsy's on the ground.
Betsy's completely out of wood.
Yeah.
Betsy, do you have...
And Betsy's on the ground.
No, Betsy's right where I'm at. Firewood Depot, just place at random. Give me... I know this is cheating, but I want to... This wasn't supposed to happen. Okay?
Well, it happened. Okay.
Okay, Betsy's working on it. Working on getting fire. It's a waiting game because Betsy has literally no boiler pressure to even start moving. Oh, I realized the caboose had a little bit of firewood that we could have used. Oops. Too bad. I'm too lazy for this. Yeah, I definitely need to fix this. Like, I'm surprised you got around the first turn, I'll be honest with you.
We gotta run that before? What turn do we?
The turn that I'm right next to.
Wait,
Right before the crossover piece?
Oh.
Not the one that we derailed on. I'm surprised you got over that one.
No, that one was easy. I don't know what that is.
No, it wasn't!
Yes, it is.
Bro!
Admit that I'm a better engineer than you.
Yeah, you are. I don't even need to admit it. You're just automatically right. Yeah, I definitely need to take the crossover piece in more. I know why I didn't to begin with, because it didn't want to work, but if I take it in more than I originally had planned to, then I think it might work. Yeah, then all those turns should be nice. Betsy, how long does it take for you to even start getting boiler pressure? Come on, man. Betsy doesn't have a light. Okay, we are starting to make boiler pressure.
Good. I'm currently reading manga. Waiting for it. How's my water level climbing when I'm not getting any water?
Oh, that's the water level in the boiler.
Oh.
Come on, Betsy, shove. Shove. Austin, I need you to protect my shove.
Protect your shove?
I'm shoving the cars with the Betsy. I need you to get on the front of the shove. That's why. That's why. Oh my god.
Did you derail more cars?
I don't know yet. I just got up here.
You pushed
No.
it. Oh, so it just got back on the track. Okay. I don't see your problem.
Come with Betsy again and you might see what's happening from back there. I'll see if I can see what's going on up here.
Okay. I can't get in Betsy. I can't get whatever. I can just do.
You gotta aim at the boiler area, not at the floor with Betsy. It's weird.
Oh, that's. Why is the brakes all weird? Am I going backward?
Nope, you're going forwards. You're forwards righting it.
I'm wiggling.
The cars are not letting you go forwards on this turn.
Oh, wonder what? I'm
Okay,
getting
full
around.
reg Betsy backwards. Yeah, full reg Betsy backwards. No, keep full regging it. Keep going. I swear to God. What'd that do? Derail the thing that didn't even need to be derailed. It just went all the way backwards, and then we could have towed it. Just towing it might have worked. Give me the dang Betsy, you re-rail the caboose.
Funny.
Not funny.
Huh?
Link pin.
I'm
Gonna give brake.
Wait, can you? The caboose isn't connected, so we have to. Well, you don't need Lincoln pins in both of them.
I don't have Lincoln pins in both of them.
You did have Lincoln pins in both.
Why did you put a Lincoln pin in the front one? This isn't going to work, is it?
It's connected.
Take off the brake on that car. Austin.
Okay, thank you.
I already took it off.
Okay, do the thing. Do the thing,
Full
Carl.
regging Betsy backwards. What's happening? Nothing. Okay.
Kronk,
Well,
you're
I'm
not
gonna
doing
do.
the thing. Kronk, you're not doing the thing.
Wait. I know what I'm going to do. Just wait one moment. Tweetsy, we need your help!
You're bringing back the Tweetsy?
Yes, because the Betsy's in between them and it has a car, so we won't derail the Tweetsy. Hopefully. I cannot say that for sure. Did you leave this car brake on?
No.
Yes.
What car brake?
The car on the back of the Tweetsy.
The car on the back? Oh, yeah, I do.
I should have a linking pin in the front of the Betsy. I already turned it off. Dunk.
It's connected. Please go for it. Go for it. Go for it. Go for it. Go forward. Go forward. Go forward. Go forward. Yes. Yes. No. Derailed. Derailed. You're far away. Come back.
There. Tweetsy stopped. Okay, I'm just gonna flick this switch, okay, and we're just gonna re-rail them all in a straight line. Because this is not worth it. Re-rail.
It's not.
Flat car. Over here. Re-rail. Re-rail. black car over here. Re-rail, black car over here. Thank you. Re-rail, black car over here.
I'll get this flat car, you get the
Caboose, gotcha.
yeah.
What I want you to do is I want you to have Lincoln pins ready in all of them.
Okay, that's it.
Okay, so they're all gonna get pinned up once we do it. Also, did that flat car just roll into the other one
This flat
before
car
it?
is broke for some reason.
Black cars, what are you doing?
What are you? Okay, it's making my life easier.
Okay, I'll put the brake on this back one. Check if there's a Lincoln pin in one of these. Okay,
Lincoln
now take the
pin in
brake off this back
this?
one, put the brake on the one that you're in.
How are they? Okay, I'm not gonna go.
Okay, putting brake on this one. Taking the brake off this one, putting the brake on this one.
Is there a link in that? I don't know if there. Oh, there is a link.
Okay, the caboose rolled back too, and that's a little bit of a problem. Caboose, full brake, we're just gonna hitch up to the cars, pull them forward.
This one's not linked too close together.
There should already be a Lincoln pin
There's
in it,
no
bro.
link in that.
Whatever, we'll fix it later, after I hitch up and pull them
They're too
forward.
close together. I can't do anything with it.
Okay, I'll fix it, just wait, I promise. I'll fix it. I'll fix it, Felix.
Huh?
A brake, give her a little. Don't put a Lincoln pin in the cart.
Okay, that one's still broken. This one still won't work. This one's still close to get. Okay, I'm like this. Like all too close together, so I can't make
Okay.
them.
Why is
Oh
there
my
a double
God,
Lincoln pin in
what
it?
is? Ugh. How did? How? Huh?
What?
Okay, I gotta go anyways.
What?
I gotta go.
Wow, this man.
So have fun with this mess that you created with your weird track that I never want to ride on again. Okay, bye bye. I'll send you a recording. Baby.